Here are 3 ways to attract wealth in your home. Permanent solution, we suggest the client to declutter their home first. There should not be broken items, there should not be irrelevant things or gifted which has not been opened for more than a year. The second technique which we suggest to the clients is to make the center of the house open. Once you have your center open, the energy flows to all the directions. You don't need to activate all the direction, north, south, east, west to give you energy. The third remedy which we tell the clients is basically is the activity relocation. For example, in north, put water. In south, put fire element or some candles or some machinery or the objects. In the east, in the east direction, put some teamwork picture so that the team grows, and put all your awards and recognition there, and put some green plants over there. In the west direction, we tell the client to make it little heavy, so we ask the client to put all the heaviest almiras or the office account books, because the money comes here. If you found this interesting and you want to learn more such tips to energize your spaces for growth and prosperity in all the fields, we are having a workshop on the secrets of Vastu and Feng Shui for success, prosperity and health. I am S. Pooja, a healer, author, speaker and entrepreneur, and help 1,000+ clients prosper by simply improving their spaces. If you are someone who is looking to grow and prosper in all the fields of your life, I invite you to my workshop where you will learn the potential root cause hindering your growth and prosperity due to spaces. 10 secrets anyone can use to improve 75% energies of their homes and workspaces. What is Vastu and its importance to 10x health, abundance, relationships and emotions. 5 ways to balance positive and negative energies in your home and workspaces. Health issues due to imbalance in Ayurveda in your spaces and how do we balance that. Importance of Vastu in our lives and much more. Click on the link below to register for my workshop if you want to transform your life with the right spaces and the right energy.